Hello everyone. Today let us find this value. Okay, this is from the chapter trigonometry and exercise 8.3. Okay, now in this one we have to multiply both these two. Okay, but we have to use some of the formulae or some of the logics of trigonometry. Okay, one plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Okay, this is the given thing. Now multiply this one. The first term is 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into cot theta is cot theta, 1 into cosecant theta is minus cosecant theta. Minus is there, so minus cosecant theta. Second term tan theta into 1 tan theta into cot theta plus tan theta into cot theta. Okay, tan theta into minus cosecant theta, so minus tan theta into cosecant theta. Third term secant into 1 plus secant into cot theta, so plus secant theta cot theta, secant into minus cosecant, so minus secant theta into cosecant theta. This is second step. Okay, the logic we have to use, main logic is 1 plus, this is a single term, so write as it is cot theta. This is our single term, cosecant only is there, so minus cosecant theta. This is our single term tan theta, so plus tan theta. Now this has two terms, tan and cot into tan and cot, so write this cot as reciprocal of tan, 1 by tan theta. Understood now? Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, that is the basic of the trigonometry, we have to remember this one. So 1 by tan theta. Now minus this also, two terms are there. Now here there is no relationship between the tan and cosecant. Here we have relationship between tan and cot. Cot we can write as tan theta, but for this one we don't have any relation between cosecant and tan. So we have to write both these things into their formulae. Okay, what is tan theta in basic trigonometry? Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So write tan as sin by cos. Okay, now cosecant is equal to 1 by sin into 1 by sin theta. Understood, I think. Now this one is single term, so write as it is plus secant theta. Again double, two terms. Okay, and again these two don't have any relationship between them, so write these two in basis of sin and cos. So secant 1 by cos, so 1 by cos theta into cot is again cos theta by sin theta. Okay, now next term is again two terms are there, again we don't have any relation, but if you write 1 by sin and 1 by cos, then there is no use. So because in the numerator we will get 1 for both of them, 1 by 1 by 1. So leave it as it is, minus secant theta into cosecant theta. Because in numerator we don't have any term, we get 1 only, because this one is reciprocal of cos and this one is reciprocal of sin. So 1 by cos and 1 by sin, 1 1, so no use in that one, so write it as it is. Okay, now simplify this one. Tan and tan gets cancelled, and here sin and sin gets cancelled. Now again here cos theta and cos theta gets cancelled. So what you get now? 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta plus tan theta tan gets cancelled, so plus 1. Here 1 by cos, sin gets cancelled, 1 is 1 by cos. 1 by cos is 1 by cos is secant, so minus secant theta plus secant theta. Now here again cos gets cancelled, so here 1 is there, sin is there, so 1 by sin. 1 by sin is cosecant theta plus cosecant theta. Now minus secant theta into cosecant theta. Okay, I hope you understood this one. I just simplified this one. Okay, now observe this one. Here in this one, minus cosecant and plus cosecant gets cancelled. Minus plus gets cancelled. Minus secant and plus secant gets cancelled. Then what is the remaining? 1 plus cot theta plus tan theta plus 1 plus, not plus, minus, here minus is there, minus secant theta into cosecant theta. Okay. Okay. Now, what can we write here? Let us simplify this one again. Till now, we have simplified these two terms like that. Now we simplify this one. That is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 plus, here cot theta plus tan theta. We can write it as sin theta, cot theta is cos theta by sin theta plus tan theta is sin theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos into 1 by sin theta. Okay, hope you understood this one. Just I written this one. Basics of trigonometry. Cot is cos by sin, tan is sin by cos, and secant is 1 by cos, cosecant is 1 by sin. Okay, now take the LCM. Yeah, take the LCM now. The LCM will be sin theta into cos theta. Okay, sin theta into cos theta will be LCM. Now sin theta into cos theta into 2 for this one. So 2 sin theta cos theta, and for this one what you get? Already sin theta is there, so sin theta gets cancelled, so cos theta into cos theta. So plus cos square theta. Okay. Now for this one, cos theta gets cancelled. So sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta plus sin square theta minus cos theta sin theta into divided by cos theta sin theta. So 1. So minus 1. Understand? A simple LCM I have taken. Simple LCM. Nothing is there. So in this one, what is this? This is one of the identity, trigonometry identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So this is 1 right here. 2 into sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Plus this one is 1 and this one is minus 1. Whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. In this one, plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled, 0. So the remaining is 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Observe. Here sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta. So both will cancelled. The remaining is 2. So 2 is the answer. I hope you all understood this one. The simple thing is we have to multiply these two and again we have to simplify this one like this. The reciprocals and the basic terms of the trigonometry we have to write. And again we have to take the LCM here. This is the main part. We are taking the LCM. Sin theta and cos theta is LCM, and here sin theta, only sin theta is there, so sin theta means gets cancelled, so cos theta, cos square theta. And here only cos theta is there, so cos theta gets cancelled, so remaining sin into sin square theta. So this one again, trigonometry identity, sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. The simple thing is that one, simple logic is there. So 2 is the answer. Okay. In many of the cases, this question is asking as a multiple choice. For that one, we no need to solve like this. Okay. We have to substitute the values of a theta, any value, any angle, then we can solve it. I'll tell you in a short video that method. And this is the for 2 marks, 4 marks question. For this one, we have to write like this. Okay. I think you understood this one. If any problem, any doubts are there, if you anywhere, any point you have not understood, then please let me know in comment section. Okay. I'll definitely answer it. I hope you understood this one. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.